Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, October 13th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame. So on the dollar CAD, I still am looking at this as impulsive down and corrective up like ABC of B or ABC of 2. This down here should be a wave A or possibly a wave 1, and I still think there's a better chance this is going to make a lower high, lower high, lower high, and go down to make either a C or possibly a wave 3. So let's take a look at that on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, big spike right here, and it is definitely making lower low, lower high, but it does for sure have a three-wave shape down, so we do need to be aware. Usually three waves down means that it is going to go up and make another attempt on the highs. So we do need to be aware that is definitely a possibility. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, to me, it definitely looks like a trend. Looks more like an A. Looks like three waves down, like it's a wave B. Looks like it already made a wave C, turning at these fib levels, and that this is like a 1, and this move up is going to be a crescent like a 2, and that it's going to make a lower high, and end up continuing down to make a wave 3. To me, it still seems like that is the most likely scenario, even after the big push that we had up yesterday. So going down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, to me, this definitely looks like a trend. There's really no doubting that. I think there is a good chance this is like a wave 1 and possibly even a wave 2. So if we see something like this with a break of structure, especially if it's at a Fibonacci retracement of this last move down, then I definitely would take that as a sorting opportunity potentially for the continuation of the downtrend, even though at wave 3. But for me personally, I wouldn't really try to go short unless I saw a significant break of structure to the downside. So taking it down to that 1 hour time frame is where we really should get rid of this Fibonacci on this level, and we really should put our Fibonacci retracement measuring this whole move down. Because, like I said, if this does do something like this, bounce off a Fibonacci retracement level, go down, break structure, to me that would actually be the end of an A, a B, and a C correction, and I would definitely exit any longs at that point and go short for the continuation of the downtrend. But I also would not even think about going short unless I saw a significant break of structure to the downside, because there's always a possibility that this does just keep on going up. Like I was showing on the weekly, there is a chance that this may just keep on trending up, and if it does, we're just going to continue to look for longs at the end of every pullback that we see until we get a significant break of structure to the downside. I would definitely just continue to look for longs in an uptrend. Break of structure to the downside would tell me that it's time to start looking for shorts again. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.